Man, what a nice sunny and warm day to do some gardening.
Face my teeth. Face it. Way.
Gasp. Boris the teeth guy. What was that for?
I want you to face my teeth. Face it right now.
Absolutely not. There's no way I will face your teeth. You always drive people nuts about it.
You better, or I'll completely go nuts about it.
You better not go nuts. Now leave me in peace.
No. Face my teeth right now. Wait. Hurry up and face me. Face me.
Last warning, stop, or else I'll tell.
Face my teeth. Face it. Grah.
That's it. I'm going to tell Puppy Corn and Lil Pleaty on you.
No. Please don't tell. I'm sorry.
Puppy Corn and Lil Pleaty, come here please. We got some trouble here.
Oh no. Must be one of those 9 troublemakers in our backyard again.
What seems to be the issue, Unikitty? Wait, oh my god.
Why is Boris the teeth guy doing here?
That is the issue, guys. Boris the teeth guy was annoying here while I was gardening and he forces me to face his teeth.
Boris the teeth guy, why would you annoy my sister like that? You are super rude, mister.
That's it, go home right now. We're calling Boris and Doris to ground you.
What do you think I'll do next? To be continued on way.
Hello Boris and Doris, this is Puppycorn. Boris the teeth guy annoyed my sister Unikitty while she is gardening. Please ground him. Thanks, bye.
Don't worry, Unikitty. That crazy man is gone and his parents are called.
That is good with me. I'll just continue my gardening.
And we'll continue our resting on our blankets.